Hi, Luca, Nico, Dove, it's Mom. I am in a little hotel in Spain, and here's a big kiss. Run to the car. That is the beach right over there. You can see. But look at this cool street that there are just people walking down here. There's some logs down there.
Look there, the girls are eating a pizza. That's so nice.
Rock me,
For the gelato?
Sure.
¿Ha visto ya se la supimos, buena.
That's the mountain range up there.
Our first two drove us so crazy that the third one.
It's for the young.
Something happened in that building, and there is a legend telling us what happened. And they were walking their animals along the Llobregat River, which is the river we can see down there. It's one of the most important rivers in the area.
Gusano, también he escuchado que ya van por gusano, tal cual.
Lagarto, sí.
Y me han dicho que como un caso de los formas.
I roll the joint.
Okay.
But you want.
Wait, say it one more time. One more time.
Easily we don't have such. Vai.
Hey, go.
Ma il cervello.
Muoviti, zio, scassala giù. Se non ti muovi te lo sparo in gol. 3, 4.